It started with direct mail. I mean, the in catalogs, if you really want to go back, we send catalogs in direct mail so you make purchases. That was innovative. The idea is you could decouple the communication from the action. So you used to have to go into a store and you buy the thing while you're in the store. And then they said, well, let's send you a piece of mail and then trust that you're actually going to phone in and order this thing. And when you phone in, they would literally ask, are you phoning in with the catalog? Or can you give me a special discount code that I put on your catalog so I know that this phone call is coming from me sending you that catalog? That was the initial direct response brass tacks marketing. Now, the only difference between now and then, like sending a direct mail and getting a phone call and actually asking them for a discount code and attributing it, is now we have 20 different channels. It's not just physical in store and direct mail. And direct mail still exists, but now there's 20 others. There's email, there's push, there's SMS, there's website personalization, there's mobile app personalization. You look at banks, they have in-person screens where you're actually seeing on the ATM personalization. So there's different surfaces now. But the fundamentals are the exact same. At the end of the day, I want to send the thing, and if I want to know if why you're calling is because I sent you the thing, those principles have not changed. What's really maxed out is, while the example I'm giving is actually very simple, that was easy to track. I send you a direct mail, I give you a code on it, you call in, you tell me about it. What we're doing now is not easy to track because you're doing it at hundreds of thousands and millions of people, and they are no longer calling us. They're making purchases through the website, and we have no idea if it came through a walled garden ad on Facebook. So being able to tie that together requires a data infrastructure. In the way companies have responded to this is having that lonely analyst follow the entire campaign through the cycle and try to piece this all together. And the marketers relying on the analysts to do that, who are really the kind of the heroes of closed loop marketing right now, even though I think they'd rather be doing something else.